everyone, it's Brie again from Aussie DIY Solutions. Today I'm going to be taking you through a 10-meter Klip-Lok roof installation kit. We're going to be taking it apart and seeing what's inside. So first off, we're going to start with our mesh. Our mesh is 250 millimeters wide, 10 meters long with a 3.9 aperture, which is hole size, and is rated to a BAL 29. So the second thing that we have in our kits is our saddles. So the saddle here has a double rib to make sure that it's extra strength, and as you can see, it's color matched. With our saddles, we have the screws as well to secure them to the roof and the mesh. So I'm going to pop that there, but I do have a small one, individual size. So this is what you would get in your packets. It's a color matched hex head self-drilling screw. And as you can see, all of those match in terms of color. And the next thing that we have is our trim. So this is color matched to the gutters. And again, you have your trim screws, which is essentially the same as your saddle screws, but would be color matched to the trim. So I've got another little one here. This here color is Deep Ocean. So those there would fix the trim to the gutter. Now, as you may notice, there is a difference in colors between our mesh, saddle, and our trim. We advise to match your mesh and saddles to your roof. So in this case, we have the paper bark color, and then we also then would advise you to match the color of the trim to your gutter. So in this case, we have the Deep Ocean. Finally, as with all of our kits, we provide instructions to install the kit professionally. So those include line drawings and really easy to follow instructions.